In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Facebook login problem. So if you're having problem logging into your Facebook account, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. Also make sure to enter the correct credentials. If you do not remember your password, reset your password and enter the password. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But still, if you're not being able to log in, there might be some technical glitches in the application itself. There might be some bugs which can be fixed by updating. So for that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Facebook. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Facebook and tap on it. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for update. Tap on it. Now wait for a while. After a while, Facebook will be updated. Try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. Launch open app library of your device. Find this application for Facebook and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface. Find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here you can see two options, manage space, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, you should be able to log in to your account. If not, simply try uninstalling the Facebook application and install it again. After you do that, you should be able to log in to your account. But sometimes the problem might be with your device itself. There might be some temporary software glitches. So in that case, what you have to do is simply long press on the power button and tap on this option restart that you can see on the screen. Now the device will be restarted. Try logging into the Facebook again. After you do that, you should be able to log into your account. So that is how you fix Facebook login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.